So I'm going to be going over the 5 best crypto apps for beginners to start using this year. Now, when it comes to crypto trading, I would say the majority of us make trades on our phones 80% of the time and maybe 20% on an actual computer. At least that's how I like to do it. Now, I've traded hundreds of thousands of dollars on a few of these apps, and we'll be going over them from best to worst. And of course, if you want to check any of them out, I'll have some resource links in the description. Okay, so let's kick things off with my top pick, which is going to be Binance US. Now, I love Binance US for a couple of reasons. The first being the fees here are extremely low. You're looking at 0.1 to 0.5% for buying and selling. They've also got over 60 plus cryptos you could buy, sell, and trade. Now, the charting on here is really good. You know, you can look at 1 minute time frames, 2 minute time frames, and upwards. You could also do stop limit orders, straight through the app, which is awesome as well. Now, next up, I had to throw Coinbase on the list because I have been using Coinbase for like 7 or 8 years. It's been a really long time. And even though the fees on here are pretty high, anywhere from 0.5 to 1.5%, you can use Coinbase Pro, which you can actually transfer money from Coinbase to Coinbase Pro and get those fees down considerably. Now, Coinbase has the reputation factor, which is very important, obviously. But like I said, this is Coinbase Pro. I've got a little less money in here. I haven't been trading on here as much because Binance US is where I've been doing a lot of my big trades. But it looks very similar to Binance US as far as like pulling up charts and things like that. But like I said, the fees are a little bit higher here. Okay, then we've got BlockFi. Now, BlockFi is an app that I've got into like over the last year because it's an interest earning app. Now, basically you just buy into cryptos on here and then you get paid out interest every single month. It's pretty cool. So if you're not an active trader or if you want to make some passive income off crypto, BlockFi would be the place to do it. The only downside to BlockFi is that they always change the interest rates that you get on coins here, which is a little bit annoying, honestly. So expect that to change like every 30 days. They might give you a different rate. Now, the last app I threw on here was Robinhood for a couple of reasons. The first being that you can trade stocks on here with the crypto. And if you're looking to trade basic cryptos like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, etc., you can do it completely for free here. But just keep in mind, you're very limited. And as far as like features for trading, it's not very good. So yes, overall, my top pick, guys, is definitely Binance US. It's just a great trading app. Okay, now I wanted to go over some gaming cryptos that I would recommend checking out, in the next 6 to 12 months. So let's do that. I got to point out, none of this is financial advice, guys. It's just my opinion, but I do own all of the coins I'm going to be going over. Now, if you didn't know this too, a cool little trick, if you go to coinmarketcap.com, you can actually just search by categories. And it's going to pull up all the different niche categories for every crypto. Now, I'm just going to click on the gaming and I'm going to get into my top pick, which is kind of a risk it for the biscuit play, but it's really cool. It's called Star Atlas. Now, Star Atlas is a 100 million market cap cryptocurrency. And basically what it is, it's a blockchain-based space-themed grand strategy video game built on the Solana blockchain. Now, it's a massive multiplayer metaverse set in the distant future in the year 2620. And in my opinion, this is a coin that could easily do a 10 or 20x from its current price. I'm also going to play a 1 minute clip of the trailer of the game so you can see what it's all about. So let's check it out.
The station reported a distress signal last night. They think it came from your dad's ship.
The signal, it came from past the outer ring. How is that even possible?
His ship has been reported missing for 20 years now. Pretty sure he's not coming back.
We go there. We might not come back.
What is this place?
This is going to change everything. They found out we have the map. They're gonna kill us for it.
If that's the case, there's only one thing we can do.
Okay, so that is Star Atlas. Is an extremely cool game. Definitely recommend checking it out as well as the coin. Okay, next up we've got Gala. Now this is a 1.2 billion market cap gaming cryptocurrency. Now Gala is an Ethereum token that powers Gala Games, a platform for blockchain gaming. Gala is used as the medium exchange between Gala Games participants. For example, it can be used to pay for in-game items. Now, this is one of those coins that I could see getting up to like a 10 billion market cap. But once it gets up to there, I'm not sure how much farther it's going to go. Now, if it gets under 1 billion or just stays right around the 1 billion price, I definitely think it's worth checking out. Just keep in mind that the potential on this one isn't as high as, our first coin, which was Star Atlas. Okay, next up, we're going to talk about Decentraland. Now, I love this project, and I've been talking about it for over a year, but basically Atari is a big investor here. Decentraland is currently leading the gaming cryptocurrency space at $3.7 billion. Now, Decentraland is a software running on Ethereum that seeks to incentivize a global network of users to operate a shared virtual world. Now, Decentraland users can buy and sell digital real estate while exploring, interactive, and playing games within its virtual world. Now, it's really cool. It's absolutely crazy, but, for me looking at this is like the digital real estate happening on, within their, whole metaverse, cryptoverse, whatever you want to call it. It's crazy. Now, I saw this coming, for over a year. It's still a really good coin to get into at its current price. And before we get more into this, I want to recommend everyone check out the Binance US app. Now, this is my go-to cryptocurrency trading app that I highly recommend checking out, especially if you're not in crypto right now. Now, cryptocurrency is a great way to make money using your phone. So if you guys want to learn more about Binance US or get started, we'll have some bonus sign up and resource links in both the description and comments. Okay, next up, we've got the Sandbox, which is a 2.7 billion market cap gaming cryptocurrency. Now, the Sandbox is a little bit similar to Decentraland. It's kind of like in the same vein, but it's a software running on Ethereum that operates a decentralized virtual gaming world. Now, at its core, the Sandbox is a game in which players can buy digital plots of land called land and create experiences on top of them to share with other users. So in this way, the Sandbox is, like I said, kind of in the same area of Decentraland. Anyways, this coin has grown massively. If you would have got in on it over a year ago, the price on this was like 4 or 5 cents. Absolutely insane. But I do see big things happening with the Sandbox, so I recommend getting some of it. Okay, and my final pick, and what I think is also the safest gaming crypto to get into, is the Enjin coin. Now, Enjin's been around for a very long time, since 2009. They started off as just a gaming community, but they've grown and evolved into an NFT marketplace, and they're doing a bunch of other cool things. So they have staying power. Now, the current market cap for Enjin dropped to 1.3 billion. I mean, anything under, I would even say just like 2.5 billion is really good. I own a lot of this coin. I've been stacking some more as the price has dropped on it, but I recommend checking out the marketplace they have. The thing you got to understand about a lot of these coins is the ones that actually have a use case are the ones that are going to succeed long term. And honestly, Enjin's use case is just growing every single day. It's just a matter of time before, people see that and what's going on here. But let's take a look at this Crypto Toad, which is pretty cool. I was looking at this the other day. It looks like it's selling for 500 ENJ right now. Pretty cool stuff. Okay, anyways, guys, that is going to be it. If you have any questions about any of these gaming cryptos, feel free to message me below in the comments. Like I said, I do own every single one of these coins, not financial advice, but anyways, hope you enjoyed this list. All right, thanks for watching this, guys, and we'll see y'all in the next crypto video.